Welcome to What's Driving the Craze for Customized Saunas Today. We are all looking for a little peace, a quiet moment just for ourselves. In our busy lives, finding that space can feel like a challenge. But more and more people are discovering a beautiful solution. They are bringing a sanctuary right into their own homes. The custom sauna is becoming a modern essential. It is more than just a hot room. It is a personal retreat, designed just for you. This trend is not just about luxury. It is about creating a space to heal. It is about creating a space to breathe. It is about creating a space to reconnect with yourself. The idea of a sauna is not new. For centuries, people have used heat to relax and feel better. But something has shifted. We no longer want a one-size-fits-all experience. We want something that reflects who we are. We want it to fit perfectly into our homes and our lives. Let's talk about why this feels so good. The health benefits of a sauna are real, and they are a huge reason for this trend. When you sit in the gentle warmth, your body starts to respond in wonderful ways. Your heart rate increases slightly, and your blood vessels widen. This helps improve your circulation, sending oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. It is like a mild workout for your cardiovascular system, all while you are sitting still and relaxing. Many people say this helps them feel more energized and alive after their session is over. The heat also does wonders for aches and pains. If you have sore muscles from a workout or just the tensions of a long day, a sauna can be your best friend. The warmth helps your muscles release and relax. It can reduce stiffness in your joints and bring much-needed relief. Many people who live with chronic pain have found that regular sauna use helps them manage their symptoms. It is a natural way to soothe the body. It allows you to let go of physical stress. And what about our minds? This is where a sauna truly shines. The quiet enclosed space gives you a break from the noise of the world. It is a time to be present with your own thoughts, or to have no thoughts at all. The gentle heat can help lower cortisol, the body's stress hormone. As your body unwinds, your mind follows. People often report feeling a sense of calm and clarity after a sauna session. It can be a powerful tool for managing anxiety and improving your overall mood. It is a simple, effective way to find your center again. Let's not forget about sleep. So many of us struggle to get a good night's rest. A sauna in the evening can help prepare your body for deep, restorative sleep. As your body cools down after you leave the heat, it sends a signal to your brain that it is time to rest. This can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more peaceful sleep through the night. One of the most exciting parts of this trend is the personalization. A custom sauna is like a blank canvas. You get to be the artist. You can design a space that not only feels good but also looks beautiful in your home. It can blend in seamlessly with your existing decor or stand out as a stunning feature. The goal is to create a room that feels like an extension of you. People are getting so creative, and the results are truly inspiring. This is your chance to build a space that perfectly matches your vision of comfort and peace. The first choice is often the wood. This is the heart of your sauna's look and feel. Cedar is a classic choice. Hemlock, spruce, aspen. Great for those with sensitivities because it has almost no scent. The wood you pick sets the entire mood. It is the first thing you see, touch and smell when you step inside your personal oasis. Then you can think about the layout and features. Long, wide benches for stretching out. A multi-level design so you can choose different heat intensities. Many people are opting for large glass fronts or doors. This makes the space feel more open and connected to the room beyond it. It can make a small sauna feel much larger and more inviting. You can also add special touches like ergonomic backrests for extra comfort, or a small window to look out onto a garden or a peaceful view. Simple, soft lighting hidden beneath the benches for a gentle glow. Chromotherapy lighting that uses different colors to affect your mood. Imagine bathing in a calming blue light to relax, or a cheerful yellow light to feel uplifted. And do not forget sound. Many people are integrating discrete, heat-resistant speakers into their saunas. You can listen to calming music, a guided meditation, or simply the sound of silence. These details transform a simple hot room into a multisensory experience. Think about what it would feel like to have your very own escape, a place you can go at the end of a long day to let go of all the stress. A warm, gentle heat that soothes your tired muscles, a warmth that calms your busy mind. This is one of the biggest reasons people are embracing custom saunas. They offer an immediate and powerful benefit: deep relaxation. In a world that is always on, having an off switch right at home is a gift. It is a simple tool for self-care you can use every single day on your own terms. This movement is about taking control of our well-being. When you decide to build a custom sauna, one of the biggest choices is the type of heat. The two main options are traditional. Infrared. Understanding the difference will help you create the experience you are looking for. A traditional sauna uses a heater to warm up a pile of rocks. You can pour water over these rocks to create steam, which raises the humidity and makes the air feel very hot. This is the classic Finnish sauna experience. It heats the air around you to a high temperature, usually between 150 and 195 degrees Fahrenheit. The feeling of a traditional sauna is intense and enveloping. The combination of dry heat and bursts of steam creates a powerful sweat. It is a very cleansing and deeply warming experience. People who love that classic robust heat often choose a traditional setup. This type of sauna is also very social. The act of ladling water onto the stones, known as loili, is a ritual in itself. You can choose electric heaters, which are easy to use, or wood-burning stoves for a more rustic, off-grid feel. It all depends on the atmosphere you want to create. The other popular choice is an infrared sauna. This is a more modern technology that works very differently. Infrared panels emit light waves that warm your body directly. The heat penetrates your skin more deeply, but at a much lower air temperature. An infrared sauna typically operates between 120 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it a great option for people who find the high heat of a traditional sauna to be too much. The experience is gentler, but it can make you sweat just as much, if not more. Because the air temperature is lower, many people find they can stay in an infrared sauna for longer, more comfortable sessions. It is a dry heat, with no steam involved. The warmth feels like the sun on your skin, but without the harmful UV rays. Many people choose infrared for its targeted therapeutic benefits, as the deep penetrating heat is excellent for soothing sore muscles and joints. The panels can be placed strategically on the walls, under the benches, to surround you with gentle, healing warmth. Ultimately, the choice between traditional and infrared is personal. When we think about bringing a sauna into our home, the question of cost naturally comes up. It is important to know that a custom sauna is an investment. The price can vary quite a bit, depending on the choices you make. A small, simple kit that you assemble yourself will be the most affordable option. A larger, fully custom-built sauna with premium materials and high-end features will cost more. The key is to think about it not as an expense, but as an investment in your health, your happiness, your home. The main factors that affect the price are size, materials, the type of heater. A larger sauna will require more wood and a more powerful heater, which increases the cost. The type of wood you choose also plays a big role. Adding features like full glass front, custom lighting, sound system will also add to the final price. It is a good idea to set a budget first, so you can decide which features are most important to you. But let's talk about the return on this investment. This is not just about money. The biggest return is the value it adds to your daily life. Think about the cost of a gym or spa membership over many years. A home sauna offers you unlimited access to relaxation and wellness right in your own space for a one-time cost. It is a tool for self-care that you and your family can enjoy for years to come. The daily benefits of reduced stress, better sleep, pain relief are truly priceless. A well-built sauna can also add to the financial value of your home. wellness features are becoming more and more desirable to home buyers. A beautiful integrated custom sauna can be a major selling point that makes your property stand out. Once you have your beautiful custom sauna, you will want to keep it looking and feeling fresh for years to come. Keep it looking and feeling fresh. Maintenance is surprisingly simple. It doesn't take much time or effort. Just a little consistent care. Keep the wood clean and dry. Wood is natural and will last if treated well. A few easy habits keep your sanctuary inviting. After each session, place a towel on the bench to absorb sweat. Wipe the benches with a clean, damp cloth. Wipe the backrests with a clean, damp cloth. Leave the sauna door open for a while. Occasionally you'll need a deeper clean. Use a soft brush to scrub gently. Use water. Use a very mild, natural soap. Gently scrub the benches with a solution. Avoid harsh chemical cleaners. They can damage wood and release fumes. After scrubbing, rinse with a clean, damp cloth. Lightly sand the benches once a year to refresh the wood. Pay attention to your heater. For traditional saunas, check the rocks periodically. Rocks can crack and crumble over time. In the end, this growing love for custom saunas is about something very simple. It is about our deep desire to feel good. We are all searching for ways to bring more peace, health, joy. A custom sauna is a beautiful and practical way to do just that. It is more than just a trend. It is a movement toward creating homes that truly nurture us, body and soul. It brings the ancient tradition of healing with heat into our modern lives in a way that is personal, accessible, deeply comforting. We have seen how they can improve our health, easing our muscles, calming our minds, helping us sleep better. We have explored the wonderful world of design, from the scent of cedar to the soft glow of custom lighting. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And thanks for watching.